Surprise! The healthier choice between pizza and pasta isn't what you think. Contrary to popular belief, pizza can actually be the more nutritious option. While pasta is often seen as a lighter meal, many pizzas pack a powerful nutritional punch. A veggie-loaded slice provides a balanced mix of carbs, proteins, and essential nutrients. The tomato sauce is rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Cheese offers calcium and protein, while veggie toppings add fiber and vitamins. On the flip side, pasta dishes often come drenched in heavy cream sauces or loaded with high-fat meats. The key is moderation and smart choices. Opt for whole grain crusts, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies on your pizza. Remember, a well-balanced diet isn't about eliminating foods, but making informed choices that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds.